Good day, everyone. Yeah, in our last class, we talked about conversion of one base to base 10. That is, it can be base 5, it can be base 8, it can be base 3, it can be base 2, and so on and so forth. But we solved some questions, and those numbers we use are in decimal digits. Yeah. So today we'll be going into the binary system. And what I just really want us to understand concerning the binary system, that the binary system consists of two things that you need to know. That is, the smallest number in the binary is 0, while the largest number or the biggest number in binary system is 1. So in the process whereby you are saying anything like 10101 is what? Is in base 2. Because whenever you are seeing any particular kind of number like this, it's mostly in base 2. So today we were dealing with the binary system, that is the conversion of binary system to base 10. The conversion of binary system to base 10. Now, the first one, what are we going to do? Example 1. Okay, let's rub this off. So the first example is convert 11 base 2 to base 10. 11 base 2 to base 10. Solution. So the first thing is write out the 11 base 2. So we are converting it to base 10. So the first thing we are going to do in the conversion of 11 base 2 to base 10 is to do what? To write out the expanded notation and to move to the power of these digits by writing an increasing number of the decimal system, that is 0, 1. So what are we going to do? So we have what? The first digit here, 1 multiplied by 2 all raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 all raised to the power of 0. That is 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 times anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 2 will be having 2 plus 1. So our total answer here will be giving us what? 3 base 10. I will go to good. And I taught us the shortcut in our last class. That if we're having 11 base 2, what are we going to do? 1 multiplied by 2, that's 2. 2 plus 1. That will be what? 3 base 10. Now let us go into this example 2. I hope we all understand this example 1. So example 2, if we're having, let's say, convert 1101 base 2 to base 10. So what do you think we are going to do concerning this? So the first thing we are going to do concerning this particular aspect is what? We write out this out first and write out, okay, 11012, then write out what? An increasing value on the power of each digit present here of the decimal system 0, 1, 2, 3. So here what are we going to have? We are having 1 times 2 all raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 all raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 all raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 all raised to the power of 0. So here what are we going to have? The expanded notation of this will be having 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, which is what? Which is 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 8 will be having 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So here we'll be having 13 base 10. I will go to go. So we can also try the shortcut. The essence of the shortcut is, for example, if you have questions in terms of JAM, we all know that JAM deals with, you have to be time conscious when you solve the question. So instead of doing all of this, you just have to make use of the shortcut. Now, I will just do the shortcut again for the last time. So what I will now be what? 1 multiplied by 2, that's 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. And 12 plus 1 is 13 base 10. I will go to go. So that's that concerning this. Now, apart from that, in our last class, we talked about just conversion to base 10. Now, we will go into, I will start with this binary system first in dealing with conversion of base 2 to any other base. Conversion of base 2, conversion of base 2 to any other base. To any other base. Now, for example, okay, we've done example 2, let's call this example 3. Convert 1101 base 2 to base 3. So before we can convert to base 3, we have to convert this base 2 to base 10. So what are we going to do? Solution. Write out this and let's write 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is, we'll be having 1 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 0. So here we're having 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 times, I told you guys that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 8, we're having 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So altogether we're having what? 13 base 10.
Now since we've converted it to base 10, the question says we should convert to base 3. So we are going to undergo a division method here to solve this.
So what are we going to have? So for example, if we're having 13 base 10, 13 base 10, so we're going to divide it by 3.
Now in this particular place, we are dealing with both the number and the remainder, both the divisor and the remainder.
So 3 in 13. 13 divided by 3, that's what? 13 divided by 3. We go how many times? That will be 4 times remainder 1. So 4 remainder 1. So then, in the process of here, what are we going to do with it? So we're going to drop this 3 number. So 4 divided by 3, that is what? 1 remainder 1. And what? 1 divided by 3, that is 0 remainder of 1. And if we take it up, we have 1, 1, 1, base what? Base 3.
So these particular kind of questions have been converted back to what? To the base of 3. So it is not only this particular one, it is not only to convert from base 2 to base 3, we can convert from base 8 to base 5, we can convert from base 6 to base 4. Yeah, but the first thing is, before conversion, the first thing we are going to do in this particular aspect is that we have to first convert to base 10. Then after converting to base 10, you have a divisor here, and this is the number in base 10. So what are you going to do? This particular number will divide the divisor, it will give you a quotient and the what? And a remainder. And that is how we are able to get this. Now let us do an example on this. Now example 4. So we are still dealing, I'm just taking questions based on numbers that are present in what? In base 2. And I told you the smallest number in binary system is 0, and the biggest number or the largest number in binary system is 1. Yeah, so that is that. Let us just do one more example.
So if we're having 1000 base 2, convert 1000 base 2 to base 4. So solution. You write out this number first. 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. How will this go?
So 1 times 2, that's 2. That's using the shortcut. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 0, that's 8.
So that is, using the short method, we are having this at what? 8 base 10. So we can also try the long method, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, which is what? 1 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 or raised to the power of 0. So here we are having 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 1. So here what are we going to have here? 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So here we are having what? 8 base 10. So now we are going to divide it by the divisor here. So that is 8 base 10 divided by 4. So how many times will 4 go in 8? Now we got 2 remainder 0. So you drop the divisor again. How many times will 4 go in 2? It's impossible, so that's 0 remainder of what? Of 2. So altogether we'll be having an answer in what? As what? In base 4. That will be 20 base 4.
So you can also check if your answer is correct. Maybe you will be able to get this 8 base 10 off from here. So by using the short method, you can say 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 0. So you've converted it back to base 10. So this will be the end of today's class. So I will give out an assignment based on this. Number 1, I will give 3 assignments on conversion of base 2 to base 10 and 2 more assignments on the conversion of base 2 to any other base. Then in my next video, I will drop all the solutions of all the assignments I've given from my first video. Now take this as the assignment.
Assignment. convert the following numbers, in base 2 to base 10. In base 2 to base 10. So number 1, we have 100 base 2. Number 2, 10101 base 2. Number 3, 110101 base 2. Then convert the following numbers in base 2 to any other base. So that's question 4. We're having 10101010 base 2 to base 5. And the last one is if we're having 110101 base 2 to base 8. So please like, share, view as well. Please ensure you watch these videos and please subscribe and share this to your friends and families. Thank you.